Inhale, sweep the arms high. Exhale to fold. Ragdoll pose, bring hands to opposite elbows and completely relax your upper body. Maybe sway from side to side. Feel any tension in the neck and shoulders release. Deep belly breath. With your next inhale, come into a halfway lift. Hands come to the shins. And then exhale, plant your hands, step your left foot back behind you. Sweep the arms back. Draw the shoulders down away from the ears, airplane arms. With your next inhale, sweep your arms high for your high lunge. Gaze forward. Bring your hands down to heart center, taking a deep breath in, lengthen through your spine, and as you exhale, come into prayer twist, hooking your left elbow to the outside of your right knee. Gently drop your left knee down, extend the arms out wide. Come into reverse low lunge, right hand comes to the back left thigh. Cartwheel your hands down inside of your right foot. Come into Skandasana, side lunge. Bending into that right knee deeper, sink the hips down, straighten through your left leg. Option to keep hands to the floor or bring hands to heart center. Lengthen through your spine, grow tall through the crown of your head. One more breath. Warrior two, facing the back of the mat, bend into your left knee. Extend the arms out wide. Make sure the heels are in line with each other. Gazing over your middle left finger. Now inhale to reach the arms up overhead, interlace your fingers, and then flip your palms to face the sky. Lengthen through the sides of your waist, and then reach the arms forward, coming into an extended side angle variation. Straighten through your left leg, reach back, keeping the fingers interlaced for a reverse triangle. Lean forward for triangle, releasing your grip, left fingertips come down, right fingertips to the sky. Lunge twist, spin on the back toes, release the right fingertips down, bend into the left knee, left hand comes high. Drop your back knee, half splits, fold over your left leg. Walking your hands inside of your left foot, turning to face the long ways of the mat. Your right hand comes down towards the top of the mat, left arm reaches high, option to lift the left leg. Another option for a back bend here. Bending your knee, reaching your left hand for your foot, open your heart. With control, release your left leg back down. Planting your foot, walk your hands back towards the back of the mat, coming into pigeon pose. Staying high on the fingertips, inhale. And then if there's space and room for you, you can fold forward, exhaling to relax into the stretch.